I, O, U. These are the short vowels. A, I, A, U. These are the short vowel sounds. Get up and move. When you see this symbol, clap your hands and spell the word. When you see this symbol, stomp your feet and spell the word. When you see this symbol, jump up high and spell the word. When you see this symbol, do jumping jacks and spell the word. When you see this symbol, touch the sky and spell the word. When you see this symbol, run in place and spell the word. When you see this symbol, touch your feet and spell the word. When you see this symbol, do leg raises and spell the word. When you see this symbol, do arm scratches and spell the word. Remember the dance codes. Are you ready? K, cat. Rat. Mat. Bat. Cab. Lab. Crab. Pad. Dad. Glad. Fan. Pan. Can. Tag. Bag. Flag. Map. Cap. Clap. Yam. Jam. Ham. Snack. Back. Rack. Bash. Cash. Dash. Good job. Good job. You did it. You did it.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstteaserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.